Hello everyone, welcome to this course, Mastering SPSS and DeepSeek, Real-World Data Analysis Projects. So with this course, as instructor, this is Shahidul Hassan. I'm an independent researcher and research assistant. I have completed my BBA and MBA from University of Dhaka. I was a lecturer at East Delta University and I am a data analysis instructor at Instructory as well as Udemy platform. I have some bestseller and top-rated course on Udemy platform. And I am a top-rated freelancer on Upwork and Fiverr and completing over more than 200 projects with over hundreds of satisfied clients. And I am an editorial board member of Virtual Economics Journal as well as the Transnational Marketing Journal. I am also working as editor of Global Journal of Entrepreneurship, Innovation and Leadership. I am also working as editorial assistant at Journal for the Study of Cooperative and Experiential Education. So with this course, you will be able to master SPSS for data analysis and you will gain proficiency in using SPSS for various data analysis tasks from data preparation to advanced statistical techniques. In this course, I have used several projects that I have completed in the last few years, and this course will help you to leverage DeepSeek for enhanced insights, to understand how to integrate DeepSeek AI tool into your data analysis workflow, to automate processes and gain deeper insights. And this course will help you to apply real-world data analysis techniques and apply the skills learned to real-world data analysis projects, including survey data, academic research, and predictive modeling. This course will also help you to create the comprehensive report and visualizations, develop the ability to create detailed reports and visualizations that effectively communicate data insights to the stakeholders. I hope this course will help you in your data analysis projects, so don't forget to enroll now and share with others. See you in the upcoming lessons. Thank you so much.